How to make a Google search engine as default. So let's get started. First, click on these three dots in the top right corner and then go settings. Next step is privacy, search and services. Click on it and scroll all the way down until you find address bar and search. Click on it and here we're simply gonna change this Bing to Google. So now what happened is if you're gonna search something here in this address bar, for example YouTube, it's not gonna be Microsoft Bing search engine, but it's gonna be Google search engine. So this is how can you do it. If you wanna make your home button, your home page Google, you can do it like this. Go Start, Home and New tabs. Make sure this home button is on, so you can see it here. And then just simply paste Google here. So now if we click New tab, click on this home button, we got the Google search engine here. And this is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button and have a nice day. Bye bye.